lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a...
What it do, Trap Gang? It's your favorite trapping Esty here, and welcome to Trap Esthetics State Board Academy. Come in and sit your ass down and get your pen and paper out ready. Thank you. Oh, honey, I ain't your regular instructor. There are 25 state board practice tests that will be on that state. I just know y'all got this right. I know y'all better be washing y'all goddamn hands. For real. The stratum basale is the lowest level of the epidermis. It also houses the melanocytes. And if you know that produces melanin. So referencing back the pH scale, anything below 7 is acidic, and anything above is alkaline. This one could be a bit tricky, but you gotta remember that high frequency uses alternating current, so it changes direction rapidly. So I don't know if it's pronounced kasi or kakai. I don't know. I just know they're the round-shaped bacteria. Oh baby, these questions right here, state love throwing this shit in here. The EPA is the one that registers and proves disinfectant. Remember, the dermis is the second layer of the skin beneath the epidermis. Did you lose me or did I lose you? I don't know what to say too much on this one because, I mean, when you born, you natural. So, I mean, yeah. They will also throw in these bullshit-ass questions. The comedones are just clogged pores. Open or closed, they still a comedone. But another name for it will be open comedone. Pay attention, it say lowest pH. Chemical peels are highly acidic. This is why they had the lowest pH of common skincare products. Always remember, the lower the pH, the stronger the exfoliation. When galvanic current, the anode is positive and the cathode is negative. How I remember it is cathode, I think of a black cat. Negative. I know some SCs really struggle with this. I'll talk more about in another video. It uses a negative galvanic current to soften and emulsify sebum in the pores before extraction. Or the rate of disinfectants. These folks just make sure your workplace is safe. It's also the best time for your client to get waxed because the hair is literally attached to the root. I don't know, something about this word sebaceous, it just sounds oily as hell. Sterilizers, they gonna kill all of them. Just remember that. And they kill the spores too. This prevents or restricts you from doing a certain treatment to your client. This the mother effer right here that causes us to be aging. That shit will penetrate deeper into the skin. This is also known as the horny layer, the freaky deaky layer. I'm just kidding. This is the outermost layer of our skin. It protects us from like environmental damages and stuff like that. Iontophoresis, y'all better know this. Y'all better know it because it's going to be on that stage. This uses a positive galvanic current, pushes water-soluble products deeper into the skin. This is the raised bump with no pus. If it did have pus, it would be a pustule. The state will also try to trick your ass with these names, because this layer is also called the hypodermis. So the fat insulates and cushions our body. Your folks never taught you how to clean. You always clean first to remove the debris, then disinfect, then sterilize. Don't piss me off. Y'all better have pick B. We's not getting no product on nobody clothes. Okay, so did y'all pass or what? Let me know in them comments. So share, like, and subscribe. Bye.